Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to edit bulk listings on Amazon. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. From the top menu, go to Catalog, then click on Add Products via Upload. You will see different tabs on this page. Click on the Download Spreadsheet tab. Now choose the product category that matches your listings. After selecting the category, click Generate Template. Amazon will create an Excel file for you to download. Open the downloaded Excel file on your computer. Inside the file, go to the Template tab. This is where you will enter your data. Find the column called Seller SKU. In this column, enter the exact SKU of each product you want to update. The SKU must match what is already in your account. Next, fill in only the attributes you want to change. For example, you can update the product name, price, description, or other details. Now this step is very important. Find the column named Update_Delete. In this column, type partial update for each product row. After you finish editing, save the file in the required Excel format. Go back to Seller Central. Click on the Upload Your Spreadsheet tab in the same section. Upload your completed file. Then click on the Monitor Upload Status tab to track the progress. If there are any errors, download the processing report, fix the issues, and upload the file again. Thanks for watching.